Keep a clean sheet. Definition: in football, do not allow the opposition team to score a goal. Example: the goalkeeper may have kept a clean sheet in the last game. Come to clean. Definition: to tell the truth about something that you have been keeping secret. Example: the deluder decided to come clean about his involvement in the incident. Make a clean breast of it. Definition: to tell the truth about something. Example: the defaulter has chosen to make a clean breast of it by confessing everything. Be climbing the walls. Definition: to suffer unpleasant feelings such as worry in an extreme way. Example: the descender was so anxious waiting for the result that he was climbing the walls. Compare notes. Definition: to exchange information and opinions. Example: the team members may decide to compare notes on the project's progress after the meeting. Consider it done. Definition: used to say that you will do a particular task immediately. Example: need help with decorations? Consider it done. The donator replied enthusiastically. Consider your position. Definition: to think about whether you should resign your job. Example: the receptionist carefully considers his position in the company before making any rash decisions. Are my eyes deceiving me? Definition: something you say when you cannot believe what you see. Example: are my eyes deceiving me? The garden is so beautiful. Someone declined in years. Definition: the last years of someone's life. Example: in his declining years, the pensioner spent most of his time gardening and reading. Depart this life. Definition: to die. Example: the medical officer of health peacefully departed this life surrounded by his loved ones. Be in the driving seat. Definition: to be in charge or in control of a situation. Example: the new governor is now in the driving seat. Drive your message, point home. Definition: to state something in a very forceful and effective way. Example, the designer is giving a passionate speech to drive this message home about climate change to the audience. Drive someone to drink. Definition: to make something extremely worried or unhappy. Example, the stress and constant noise from the construction site made to drive mechanics to drink. Drive a coach and horses through something. Definition: to completely destroy a rule, an argument or plan. Example, the Chief Justice felt that a new regulation have been driven a coach and horses through the old system. Drive a hard bargain. Definition: to expect a lot of in exchange for what you pay or do. Example, the vendor tried to drive a hard bargain, but the donator managed to get a good deal. Drive a wedge between someone. Definition: to damage the good relationships that two people or group of people have. Example, gossips and rumors can be driven a wedge between close friends. Someone deserves a medal. Definition: said when you admire someone for dealing with a difficult person or situation for a long time. Example, after dealing with so many problems, the do-gooder suppose he deserves a medal for his patience. She deserves whatever, everything she gets. Definition: said if you think someone should have to suffer because of their bad behavior. Example, the explorer deserves everything he gets. He earned it through hard work and dedication. Someone's heart desire. Definition: the thing or person you most want. Example, owning a new house had always been Hunter's heart's desire. Be devoured by something. Definition: to feel an emotion that it strongly influences your behavior. Example, the discoverer was devoured by ambition, sacrificing everything for success. Dig your heels in. Definition: to refuse to change your plans or ideas. Example, the designer refused to compromise and dug his heels in during the negotiation. Dig into your savings. Definition: to give away money. Example, with unexpected expenses filling up, the therapist has to dig deep into his savings. Dig yourself into a hole. Definition: to get yourself into a difficult situation. Example, The contractor has dug himself into a financial hole by making a series of bad investments. Dig your own grave. Definition: to do something that causes you harm. Example: if the coordinator had ignored the warning, he would have dug his own grave. Dip a toe in the water. Definition: become involved in something that you are not experienced at. Example: before fully committing, the controller decides to dip a toe in the water with a small investment. In next video, I will take a moment to explore the colorful and fascinating world of English idioms. See you in future video.